This 2024 Winnebago Micro Minnie 1720FB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 20 feet 5 inches in length and features sleeps 4, external shower, microwave, stovetop burner, oven, air conditioning, LP detector, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, water heater, refrigerator, and 31 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Winnebago Micro Minnie 1720FB is 3,755 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.